Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today's another challenge video, a workout challenge video that I've taken, and it is to gain a bubble butt. Okay, so this is like you have to do 500 hydrants. Okay, that is butt hydrants that you have to do 500, and I'm quite nervous for that because I haven't done so much of workout or 500 reps. So see whether I could do it or I could not do it. And the best part of this workout is that it is a 14-day challenge, but I'm doing it for 7 days only, so I don't have to work out every day. Yes, you heard it right, I don't have to work out every day. I just have to do these exercises twice or thrice a week. I'm taking the measurement now, and as you all can see, I'm measuring around 38.6. I'm starting with the day one, and also I've mentioned the workout video link in my description, as well as the main challenge workout video link, along with the exercises that I'll be performing. So you all can check that out. While I was watching the original video of this challenge, I could see many people commenting that they found the challenge difficult and that is why they left the challenge in between. And some people also made the challenge more tough by wearing weights in their feet, in their ankles. And this is how they made the challenge even more tough. So I won't be wearing any weights as I don't have any weights with me. And yeah, I think this is enough, and this is what my threshold is. Hey guys, it's the another day of workout, and today's the third day. Okay, so I didn't work out yesterday, and I'm going to work out now because yesterday my body was sore. Like I couldn't walk, I couldn't sit, and my glutes and my lower body, my lower back, it was just paining like anything. First of all, sorry guys, it was raining and it was very cloudy. That is why the video, there's no proper light. And other thing is, so on the second day I finally decided to wear shoes, as you can see, because I could feel much of a difference while working out while wearing shoes. Also, I kept a water bottle near me because this intense workout makes me drink water every now and then, and I have to go to the kitchen. So I kept a water bottle near me. And trust me guys, this exercise while wearing shoes makes a lot of difference. So if you all are planning to do this exercise, take this challenge, then please wear shoes, or even sneakers is fine. And yeah, on day one guys, I almost took 1 hour to finish the workout, but I don't think today I'll be taking so much of time. And also, as you know, that on day one I took a lot of breaks, and it was a very tough day for me, the first day, but today it's happening smoothly. I'm not feeling that exhausted, and also I didn't do the warm up, and still I'm not feeling any soreness and pain. And I think I'll be doing all the 500 today. Let's see. As you can see, I'm doing the difficult exercise in the last. I just don't like doing this, but I have to do because it's a part of the challenge. And yeah, this exercise I'm doing after I completed all the 400 reps, and this is the last one, and I'm almost about to complete it, and I'm so proud of myself. I just finished my workout, and today I completed 500 hydrants, and today I'm not feeling exhausted. So I think maybe it was day one, that is why I was feeling exhausted, but today I'm feeling relaxed and no pain, just a little bit of soreness in my glutes. Otherwise I'm completely fine. Hey guys, so it's day 1 of week 2, And as it was said that you can work out either twice or thrice a week, so I have decided to work out twice a week. So 2 days in the previous week I worked out, and now this week I'll be working out for today and one more day. Also guys, make sure if you are taking this challenge, make sure that you consult your doctor or your physician, or if you have any surgery done or whatever medical issues, because this is an intense workout. So it's better that you consult your doctor. And even the original video, the person who made the original video, that is Sela Mar, even she's recommended to consult your doctor before taking this challenge, because this is very intense. And so it's good that you are safe and your body is not having any reactions after you work out. Not feeling exhausted, I'm feeling great, and I'm close to complete 500. So I think it was only the day one that I messed up little and I got exhausted, but today and day two were great. I was able to complete all the 500 reps. So yeah guys, if you have a determination, you must try this. Last day of the challenge, that is week 2, day 2, and let's see whether I'm able to complete or no. Guys, I had to compromise a lot with my phone space because I shoot in my phone, and hence I would really appreciate if I get a like. Hey guys, so I've completed the challenge, and as you know, the challenge was for 14 days, and it was said that you can do it either twice or thrice a week. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई अवेलेबिलिटी मैंने ट्वाइस अ वीक किया. सो इन 14 days आई डिड द वर्कआउट फॉर 4 times. ठीक है. एंड आई वुड बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू गाइज दैट लास्ट डे का जो चैलेंज था, लास्ट डे का जो वर्कआउट था, सॉरी, वो मैंने 400 ही किया बिकॉज आई वॉज गेटिंग लेट टू गो समवेयर एंड देन आई डिडंट गेट टाइम. So I did that 400 for 400. I didn't complete the 500. So yeah, so according to whatever I've worked out, let's see the results. So as you guys saw, there wasn't much of a difference, but there could be various reasons that could be affecting, like कि मैंने consistently नहीं किया, या फिर I just I did 400 and 430 on the first day. So maybe because of those could be the reasons. Also genetics and various other factors. After 14 days my measurement is कुछ भी हो सकता है, but 39.1. Still I could find little bit of difference, and that is enough for me. But I'm not stopping you guys from taking the challenge because I showed you what my results were. So accordingly you can decide whether you want to take the challenge or you don't want to take the challenge. But from my end, that was it for this time. So if you have liked the video, give it a like. Don't forget to share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm there on Instagram as well. So stay connected, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.